After 3 decades of refinement, Jiangsu WEIYE wields technology as its blade and craftsmanship as its measure. We carve a new benchmark of safety, precision, and innovation in the field of medical device manufacturing. Founded in 1986, WEIYE has focused on the R&D and manufacturing of supporting systems for medical devices. From innovative development of medical device support arms to the manufacturing of mobile medical trolleys and surgical assist support arms, we measure the weight of life with micron-level precision and fulfill our safety promise through millions of experiments. Driven by technology and supported by precision manufacturing, we have established R&D centers in Hangzhou and Wuxi and a manufacturing base in Taizhou. This dual-core innovation system spans product planning, structural design, process development, production trials, and testing and inspection. Our R&D team brings together interdisciplinary experts with a focus on clinically driven scenarios. We continuously improve our products in reliability, safety, usability, and application adaptability. Focusing on medical support arms, trolleys, and operating room equipment, we provide high-performance, customized solutions to the global medical industry. Our standardized manufacturing base spans over 20,000 square meters, equipped with leading domestic and international high-precision production equipment and testing laboratories. Bringing together experienced technical talents, rigorously controlling every process, and refining every detail, we strive to deliver high-quality products to our clients. Our production processes are orderly and on-site management is highly efficient, enabling full process production from raw material processing and component manufacturing to final assembly and testing, ensuring both production quality and delivery efficiency. In terms of quality management, we pursue excellence, equipment, and instruments. But our products must pass multiple structural validations and performance tests. Our professional quality inspection team conducts full process monitoring under stringent standards, ensuring each product withstands customer scrutiny. We focus on the global market and keep our finger on its pulse. Currently, our company has obtained over 60 patents and has passed EU CE and ISO 9001 quality system certifications. We have also been honored as a national high-tech enterprise. Our products are exported to over 80 countries and regions, including the USA, Germany, Russia, Japan, South Korea, Australia, Singapore, and Brazil, etc., earning the trust of global clients with stable, flexible, and efficient system support. Technology is the foundation of manufacturing. Standards are the guarantee of quality. With a professional team, rigorous management, outstanding equipment, and quality service, WEIYE provides customized solutions for clients. Through a systematic production structure, we build strong delivery capabilities, supporting the stable supply of global medical device demands. We are the transmitters of technology, guardians of health, and pioneers of medical manufacturing. From the banks of the Yangtze River to the world, Jiangsu WEIYE forges great medical instruments with heart of reference. We pursue excellence through precision and illuminate progress through innovation. Jiangsu WEIYE, dedicated service for 30 years.